Honda CR-V CVT, causes, symptoms of failure, and how to fix them. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, in the Honda CR-V is designed to provide smooth acceleration, better fuel economy, and comfortable driving. Unlike traditional automatic transmissions with fixed gears, the CVT changes ratios continuously, allowing the engine to stay in its optimal power range. However, like any mechanical system, the CVT can develop problems over time. Understanding the causes, warning signs, and repair solutions can help prevent expensive damage. One of the most common causes of CVT problems in the Honda CR-V is old or contaminated transmission fluid. CVT fluid is critical because it lubricates internal components, cools the transmission, and helps transfer power through the belt and pulleys. If the fluid becomes dirty, overheats, or loses its properties, the transmission may start slipping, jerking, or making unusual noises. Regular fluid replacement using the correct Honda CVT fluid is essential. Another major cause is overheating. CVTs are sensitive to high temperatures, especially during heavy traffic, towing, aggressive acceleration, or hot weather. Overheating causes fluid breakdown and accelerates wear on internal components. In some cases, the transmission may enter limp mode to protect itself, limiting vehicle speed and performance. Wear of the steel belt and pulleys is another common issue. The CVT works by moving a metal belt between adjustable pulleys. Over time, friction causes wear, especially if the fluid is neglected. When this happens, drivers may notice slipping, delayed acceleration, or a feeling that the engine revs but the car does not accelerate properly. A failing torque converter or start clutch can also create problems. Symptoms include vibration when accelerating, shuddering at low speeds, or hesitation when moving from a stop. These symptoms are often mistaken for engine problems. Electronic issues are also possible. A faulty transmission control module, TCM, speed sensor, pressure sensor, or solenoid can cause incorrect CVT operation. The car may shift unpredictably, trigger warning lights, or enter emergency mode. Common signs of Honda CR-V CVT failure include delayed acceleration, engine revving without proper movement, jerking or shuddering, whining, humming, or grinding noises, transmission overheating warning, check engine light, reduced fuel economy, vehicle stuck in limp mode, difficulty moving from a stop, sudden power loss while driving. If ignored, minor problems can become major failures. A worn belt can damage pulleys, contaminated fluid can destroy bearings, and overheating can permanently damage internal seals. Diagnosis should begin with a computer scan for transmission fault codes. Codes can reveal sensor failures, pressure issues, or communication errors. Fluid inspection is equally important. Burnt smelling, dark, or metallic fluid indicates internal wear. Repair depends on the cause.